taking a little virtual trip to Georgia now, not the US state, the nation in the Caucasus, where Krakatoa Resources have their Zopkhito Antimony-Gold Project, and CEO Mark Majors is on site joining us now. Mark, you're back on the ground at Zopkhito. Can you tell us what you're looking to achieve during this trip to Georgia?
Yeah, it's great to be here. Look, I guess, the key thing for us this year is, to get more holes into the resource base, build that resource up, and then obviously look at completing a lot more metallurgical work and other, significant work, I guess, to develop this, to move this project really more into the focus of the development in the coming years. It's about establishing the resource, but it's also about increasing our knowledge base around that.
What does acquiring Krakatoa's first 10% ownership interest in Zopkhito mean for the company and for its commitment to the project?
Yeah, this 10% component is quite a milestone for the company. Obviously, we've got a lot of opportunity here with this project, and we're very confident in what the project's delivered so far and the potential it does have here. So, it's just taking that next step into taking some ownership without sacrificing all our funds, which we obviously want to concentrate our funds into the exploration, into de-risk the metallurgical side and all the other aspects that we're looking to sort of move through with this project. It's a systematic way that we've approached this, and I think our shareholders will find that relieving, but it's also allowing us the ability to progressively advance this project and add value into the company.
You recently had some independent consultants on site. Can you tell us what they were up to and why that's important in the context of Krakatoa's plans?
Yeah, it's a key thing to have these independent consultants come through. Obviously, as part of getting this classification into JORC, we have to have an independent, competent person to review our information and go through it. And obviously, we've undertaken that, and they were the group that came through recently, and just validated everything that we're doing, from drilling, sampling processes, right through to sort of what we're undertaking with the assays as well. Also the geological model, all these things that are happening in the background, as we get this information out of the ground.
So the first batches of drill results are at the lab now. Mark, can you tell us what you're hoping those assay results will come back with? Especially given you are working to validate historical results as well as establish a maiden JORC compliant mineral resource.
Yeah, the first batch of assays have been sent. Second batches, they've been sent as well. So look, that's a process. What are we expecting out of them? Again, it's just more confirmation drilling. We're drilling between sort of adits that we know. We're extending the resource into those zones which have been put into the historical resource. So we're just confirming that the mineralization is in those zones as well.
Mark, thank you so much for taking the time today to show us a little bit of the world that we don't get to see very often. I hope you have a lot of success in the field, and we'll speak again soon.